Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the use of Siri in the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just scroll down, and at the tools section, click on the Siri settings button. And as you can see, you can add the "Hey Siri, my Airbnb trip" phrase. So just click on the record phrase button. And once you're ready, it will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.